Pick up the capital letter F. Put down. Pick up the small letter F. Put it down. Complete egg. Pick up the letter U. Put it down. Pick up the number 8. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Pick up the letter B. Put it down. Pick up the scale. Put it down. Pick up the yellow color. Put it down. Pick up the letter K. Put down. Pick up the number 2. Put it down.